Okay, this is Dr. Jim again on clip number 2, and now I'm going to try to show you a fully modified propeller USB board. We're using this one as a test stand for design and development, and also for testing these boards. As you can see, I have 2 boards daisy chained here, and I'll run those in a minute. You can see we have the baseband video connector here soldered to the board, then the 3 resistor set for baseband video, also a power connector, and that power connector is connected over to 5 volts, and then this 5 volts is distributed down to each board out of here. Now, on a larger system, there will be several of these, so don't feel like you have to get all the power off of one board, because that's not the way the design is set up. But it works nice for this particular test setup. Now, these 2 boards, they are what we call board 0 and board 1. Each one handles 2 megabytes worth of static RAM, and you can go up to 8 boards, and they are designed, notice, so that they fit the propeller form factor exactly. And that means that you can make a stack. And pardon my shape, but that's all part of getting older. And so this stack, you can stack these as far as you want. You don't have to worry about heat. You don't have to worry about big blower fans or anything like that, because these chips, they're all asleep or in low power mode until they are selected, and only one chip out of the whole stack is selected at any one time. So I can put my hand on here when it's running. I can feel no perceptible heat. Now, these ribbon cables then daisy chain from board to board up to the propeller board here. Now, I can run then running our very versatile KISS debugger, and I would highly recommend that anyone who's going to do anything with the propeller, whether you do our designs or not, use this debugger, because it will do things that you cannot get done in any other debug format. And it's the result and composite of over 30 years of experience. Now, the debugger then is set up to drive this. This is a standard video screen. This is part of the kit that you can buy from Parallax. It's very low cost, and so you could also hook it up to your TV or VCR if you wanted to, and be able to display that way. Anything that has a video jack, you should be able to plug it into this RCA video jack, and it's a standard connector, as you can see here on the audio connectors. Now, we do have a keyboard for now. Later in the project, keyboard will be completely eliminated, and it will be voice activation and voice interface totally, to run all diagnostics, to so-called program the machine, to train it, so forth and so on. And this is a proprietary method which I've developed over the years, and so it will be available as part of the operating system and at a later date, not in the initial release, more like an August time frame. Okay, so now I'm going to here run the memory test. I press a key here to activate the memory test, although let me just do that a little differently. I'm going to push the reset button here, and boom. I can hit a help command, and on the screen you can see all of the commands, an H, all the commands That's one page of them. Here's the second page. Okay.